Mr. Hitman Mike in Chicago. You looking for Joe and Raleigh? You ain't gotta look far, my friend. Just come to Fayetteville, North Carolina and ask for the big man. You want to talk about a bet? Whatever bet you want to make, my friend, because there is no doubt the only way Duke will lose to Carolina is if they cancel this game, or if somehow, some way, the crooked referees that were at Syracuse somehow call this game. Carolina has no shot. Duke is better at every single position. They have a better coach. They're well planned, and there is no way in God's green earth, Mike, that Duke is going to lose this game. So I tell you this, my friend, as you see Coach K, his arm around Joe and Raleigh, leave no doubt, my friend. Leave no doubt. Why don't you stick to football? Why don't you stick to the Chicago Bears or the Chicago Blackhawks or whatever it is you do in the Windy City, my friend? Because basketball, that's where North Carolina is. That's where Durham, North Carolina is. That's where Fayetteville, North Carolina is. That's where Joe and Raleigh is, my friend. So the Hitman stated what you know. You call your shot. You call the bet you want to call. Because, my friend, there is no way in God's green earth that Duke is going to lose tomorrow night. You talk about a victory, the only victory you might have is a moral victory, my friend. Maybe Carolina keeps it within 10, but I can't even see that happening. So as the snow falls in Fayetteville, North Carolina, my friend, believe me when I say that Duke is the best team in the nation. Duke is the best team in North Carolina. Duke is the best team in the city of Fayetteville, North Carolina. There is no way that Carolina's got a shot. So, Mr. Hitman, Mr. Mike in Chicago, Mr. Man on the street, you call your shot. Do whatever you want to do. Walk wherever you want to walk. Shave whatever you want to shave, my friend. Because Duke is the best team in the nation. Coach K is the best coach in the nation. And Joe and Raleigh don't run from no man. Especially Mike in Chicago. Mike in Chi-Town. Mike in the Windy City, my friend. You don't know anything about college basketball. Stick to what you know. Stick to win. Stick to crime. Stick to snow. Because you don't know college basketball. And if you don't know that Coach K, Duke, and Joe and Raleigh are going to ride tomorrow night down to Durham, down in the Bull City, and take what is ours. We don't want to be given anything. We don't want no moral victories. We're going to take what is ours. So Mike in Chi-Town, in the words of the great John Cena, you want some? Come get some. Joe and Raleigh. Duke 93. Carolina. Don't even show up.